If you found yourself stuck and wondering how to unlock Samsung washer, you're not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of doing laundry. Fortunately, there are a few straightforward methods you can try to get your washing machine back in action. First, it's essential to understand why your Samsung washer may be locked. Many Samsung models come equipped with a child lock feature designed to prevent little hands from inadvertently altering settings or opening the door during a cycle. If you've accidentally activated this feature, it will prevent you from opening the door, leading you to ask how to unlock Samsung washer. To start, check your control panel for a lock symbol. If you see this icon illuminated, it indicates that the child lock is active. To deactivate it, press and hold the child lock button, typically marked with a lock icon, for 3 seconds. On some models, you may need to hold the temp and spin buttons together instead. You'll know it's successful when the lock symbol disappears from the display, allowing you to open the door. If you've tried this and still can't figure out how to unlock Samsung washer, the next step is to check if the machine is still in the middle of a wash cycle. If the cycle is active, the washer door will remain locked until it completes the current cycle. In this case, patience is key. Wait for the cycle to finish, and the door should unlock automatically. Sometimes, power issues can also cause the washer to malfunction, making it seem like the door is stuck. If you suspect this is the case, try unplugging the washer for about 5 minutes. This will reset the machine, and upon plugging it back in, you may find that it's now possible to unlock the door without any issues. Lastly, if your Samsung washer is still locked after these attempts, there might be a mechanical issue at play. In such cases, consulting the user manual specific to your model can provide further guidance. If necessary, contacting Samsung customer service or a professional technician is recommended to avoid causing any additional damage to your appliance. Knowing how to unlock Samsung washer can save you time and frustration. Regular maintenance, including checking the locking mechanism and ensuring the machine is functioning properly, can help prevent this issue from recurring. With a little troubleshooting, you'll be back to laundry in no time.